anyone tell me what we learned about yesterday?
Oh,
Heidi?
We learned about what is it called again?
It's a big long word. Do you want to phone a friend? Phone a friend.
Congruent.
Congruent, exactly. And Heidi, I'll give you another chance. What does congruent mean? Do you remember something?
They're like who cloned the president.
Like who cloned the president? The story we read in class. They're clones, exactly. It's shapes that are the same size, okay, and the same shape, right? Okay, we worked a lot on that yesterday. Okay, so now today, boys and girls, we are going to be working on the line of symmetry, okay? So up here on the board, I have a line and part of a shape. Can I have one second grade superstar come up and figure out the rest of this shape? Okay, I'm going to call on someone real quiet. Lane, come on up. Use the red. Awesome. So high. Okay. Awesome job. All right, Miss Merlo drew it a little too high. But thumbs up if you guys think Lane is right. Exactly. What shape is this, boys and girls, all together? Arrow. Let's say it loud and proud.
Arrow.
Exactly. Okay, great job. So, the line of symmetry is when you fold any flat figure, okay? Any flat figure in half. That's what we just did here. Say I had a piece of paper up here. This arrow is on a piece of paper. And I split that piece of paper in half or folded it, this would be on that other side. So right now I want each one of you to get out your writing journals and rip out a blank piece of paper, okay? Around and see. You guys all have your papers out. Very good. Good job, Sophie. Faith, awesome. Superstars, you're doing this so quietly. Great job. All right, so once you get your piece of paper, I'd like you in the center of that piece of paper to pick any shape we've talked about. What kind of shapes have we talked about? Camila?
A sphere.
A sphere. And what's another one, Dorothy?
A rectangular prism.
A rectangular prism. Very good. Junior, what's another one we've talked about? So we said rectangular prism, sphere. Want to phone a friend? Yeah? Who do you want to call on? Jane? Okay. Aiden? What's another one? Cylinder. Very good. Okay, there's a couple more. Lily? So we said rectangular prism, cylinder, sphere, cube. Very good. Rogan, what's another one? Triangle. Awesome. Okay, and we learned one big long word. It has 5 sides. I'll give you a hint. 5 sides. Hayden?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Awesome. Okay. So, right now I would like you guys to, in the middle of your paper, draw any shape that we just talked about. Any shape. Okay? And then
more than one shape.
we can try more than one shape, but just draw one for right now, okay?
All right.
And then what I want you to do I'm going to use face as an example here. Oh, perfect. Rogan drew a triangle over here. Okay, so what he's going to do is Rogan is going to draw a line from the corner. So split it in half. Split it in half for us.
I don't get it. How are you supposed to draw two?
Okay, so draw one line in between that shape. Perfect. Okay, so Rogan drew a line right in the middle. So what he's going to do now is fold it. He's going to fold it in half right on that line that you just drew. Okay? All right? So Rogan on this side has half of the triangle, and on the other side has the other half. So what you guys just did is made a line of symmetry from the shape you have. Okay? So Camila, I see you did a square, a cube, and Olivia did an arrow. Okay? So as we work on our workbook pages today, we'll be talking about the lines of symmetry, okay? It's when you fold a shape in half, okay? And it creates a reflection almost, okay? So when you look in the mirror, do you see yourself? Or do you see, say Luke looked in the mirror, does he see Dorothea?
No.
No. Unless he grew hair overnight, like long, long hair. And long eyelashes. And put some earrings on him and lipstick. No, I'm kidding. So, but if he does look in the mirror, he sees himself, right? So that's kind of what we're doing today, boys and girls. We're seeing how when you fold something in half, it makes a mirror, okay? All right, so can someone read on page 261? Read the top part, Lily.
Kendra and Marissa each drew a figure and then folded it.
Okay, awesome. What's the Kendra saying? What's the first girl saying? Connor, what's the first girl saying?
I folded my figure in half. The two parts match the folded line. It's a line of
Symmetry. Very good. Good job. And what's Marissa saying? What's the second girl saying? Dorothea?
I folded my figure two different ways. This figure has two lines of symmetry.
Right, exactly. So there can be multiple lines of symmetry, boys and girls. And so that's what these two girls are showing, that an arrow, a shape of an arrow, only has one. Because when they fold it in half, just make one fold, it has the reflection of the other side, okay? But on the second girl's, she folded it 2 times. So every time she folded it, it created that same shape, okay? All right? So it says draw one line of symmetry, okay? So for number 1 through 6. So what I'd like you guys to do is number 1 through 6, try your very best on your own, and then we'll flip to the back, okay? Sophie made a great point. So it said draw one line of symmetry, but not all of them just have one line. So we have to make sure that we're not tricked by anything. Because I know you superstars are smart and you'll catch it.
So
But
you
if you
have
have
to
questions,
draw this.
there's rulers back in the back.